Hello and welcome to the 14th tutorial on the C++ programming series, and in this part we're going to be looking at logical operators. So there are three logical operators we're going to be looking at. One is the not operator, and that allows you to basically invert something that like not true would it become false. There's the double ampersand operator, or just referred to as the AND operator, allows you to combine different expressions together and obtain a single result. The AND operator checks if all statements evaluated true. If one doesn't evaluate true, then the entire result is false. If a statement is false, then any remaining statements are not checked as it is no longer true. There's the OR operator. It checks if at least one statement is true. If a statement is true, then any remaining statements are not checked, as it only requires a single statement to be true. We'll also be combining these statements to show you some really cool stuff. So let's just go ahead and open up our project. So let's just get rid of this. First operator is the not operator, and we're going to do stdc out, std line, and in here we're going to put not true. And it prints out 0, aka false. So if we do true, it'll print out 1. So yeah, that is literally for the not operator. You just inverted what it receives, and you put it to the left of the value variable, what have you. The next operator we're going to be looking at is the AND operator, which is 2 ampersands, and this is the AND operator. Let's put this to uppercase. So the AND operator works like this. So std out, std and line. We're going to do does 5 equal 5, which it does, and 5 is greater than. We can easily fix this with some brackets. So if we run this, we go let's just comment out this 1 second. Run it again, and we get 0. And the simple reason we get 0 is because first it checks, does 5 equal 5? Yes, it does. Then it checks, is 5 greater than x? No, it isn't. But because all the expressions need to evaluate true, that's the only way that this entire expression can evaluate to true. Therefore, it's evaluating to false. So if we just put 4, it will now evaluate to 1. So that is it for the AND operator. It literally is that simple. So I'm going to look at the OR operator now. So that's just these two vertical lines. So these called OR operator, std out, std and line. Sorry about that. And what we're going to do is, same as before, I'll do OR, and in here we're going to put 5 greater than 6, which isn't, and 5 less than 8. Now we run it. Let's get rid of this one again. We get 1. First it checked, is 5 greater than 6? No. But because it's the OR operator, it only requires one expression to be true for the entire statement to evaluate to true. Then it checks, is 5 less than 8? A-okay, so let's put true. Let's just change this to a 3, so none of these are true, and then it evaluates to 0. And now what we're going to do is just show you how you can combine these. So combining the and OR. So we're going to do stdc out, std and line, and in here we're going to be putting does 5 equal 5 and 7 equal 8, or 5 greater than 6, or 6 less than 9. Now let's put brackets around the entire thing, otherwise it will not work. Now run it. We get a result of 1. So let's just go through what it's done. Let's check this bracket first, and it says, does 5 equal 5? Yes, good. And it says, and does 7 equal 8? No. So this actual statement is false, but it's an or statement here, and that's like, you can consider that to be the outermost condition check, outermost operator. And then it's saying, or does this statement evaluate to true? So let's check. First, check is 5 greater than 6? No. Or is 6 less than 9? Yes, it is. So this statement evaluates to true, hence this entire statement evaluates to true. That is it. It is that simple and easy to use logical operators. Logical operator is something that you will use a lot in your application once you know C++, not just C++ as well. In most programming languages, you'll be using these. The not operator, I'll find you'll be using less compared to the and the or operator, and you probably will be combining them in certain circumstances. In the next tutorial, we're going to look at the conditional ternary operator. If you have any questions, feel free to message us at support@sonarsystem.co.uk. The email will be in the description. You can comment on this video or just directly message us via YouTube, whatever you feel comfortable with. Also, the source code will be in the description via a link, and as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.